This is Tim here from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install TikTok on your Android phone. So this is very easy. You don't have to download it from a browser or anything. You can just go to the Google Play Store right there and open it up. So this is the Google Play Store. You might see in your Google folder right here, or we can just type play in right here. So let's type in play, and here's the Google Play Store. Open this up. So I have Zedge in there. But we can just go to search and type in TikTok. Now TikTok is probably going to be your recommended app. We can just go to search and go to TikTok. And then we can get this application, install it onto our phone, and then open it up. So a lot of times I go to my new apps, I swipe up and I go to the right. And it's usually at the back end here. So here's TikTok. I downloaded it a while ago. We can just hold down on it and add it to our home screen like that. And then you can just move this around and drop it where you want. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out.